Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hello friends, today we will study 4-letter sight words part 3. A-B-L-E able, C-A-L-M calm, D-I-C-E dice, F-E-E-D feed, C-A-R-E care, C-A-S-H cash, S-I-D-E side, I-D-E-A idea, N-E-X-T next, B-A-C-K back, S-T-O-P stop, K-E-E-P keep, B-O-T-H both, K-N-O-W no, M-I-L-E mile, P-U-L-L pull, C-A-G-E cage, M-I-S-S miss, H-E-A-D head, E-Y-E-S eyes, H-E-A-R here, L-I-F-E life, L-I-K-E like, H-I-G-H high, F-E-E-T feet, R-E-A-L real, B-E-N-T bent, B-E-N-D bent, D-E-E-P deep, F-A-S-T fast, L-A-S-T last, B-E-S-T best, C-A-L-L call, F-A-L-L fall, D-O-L-L doll, F-L-O-W flow, F-U-E-L fuel, F-E-L-L fell, D-E-A-R deer, D-E-E-R deer, B-A-N-K bank, S-T-A-R star, M-A-S-K mask, C-A-L-F calf, P-A-S-S pass, F-A-S-T fast, M-I-L-K milk, S-O-N-G song, P-O-N-D pond, H-I-L-L hill.